Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Honda Civic back seat. This simple process allows you to expand your cargo space for larger items. We'll cover finding the release mechanisms, safely folding the seats, and then securing them back into their upright position. It's a quick and easy way to maximize your Civic's versatility. First, let's find those release latches. In many Honda Civic models, you'll find these levers or straps either on the top edge of the rear seatback, accessible from inside the car, or more commonly, inside the trunk. Look for small handles or pulls on the left and right sides under the trunk panel. Some older models might even use a key lock on the rear shelf. If you're unsure, your owner's manual is always the best guide. Once you've located the release, pull it firmly. You should hear a click, indicating the seatback is unlocked. Now, from either the trunk or the rear passenger area, gently push the seatback forward. It should fold down, creating a larger cargo area. Remember to ensure any seat belts are out of the way to prevent them from getting caught or damaged as the seat folds. To return the seat to its upright position, simply lift the seat back firmly. Push it back until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's securely latched. It's a good practice to give the top of the seat a gentle tug to ensure both sides are locked. Finally, make sure all rear shoulder belts are positioned correctly in front of the seatback and are not twisted or trapped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.